Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm talking about NIO stock. If you're new to my channel for some reason, definitely subscribe and like and comment on the video and support me. I will really appreciate it if you guys do. You guys have shown an amazing amount of support lately, and I'm so grateful to you guys for helping me reach 3,200 subscribers. And I think I'm at 3,300 now. I'm not even, I lost count. It's all thanks to you guys though. You guys are amazing. Let's go on to the rest of the video. So I think that NIO raising $1.5 billion in their 75 million new depository share offering, that might be the best thing ever to happen to NIO. The reason why is because ever since they were low on cash, they actually had to raise about $1 billion, which is about 7 billion Chinese yuan. But they raised that. They struck a deal with the Chinese government, with the Haifi city, basically the city in over there in China, and they created what's called NIO China. And NIO owns only 75% of NIO China, so that means that the other 25% is owned by the Haifi government, or the government investors that put up some cash to help NIO when they needed it. And so NIO's putting on their big boy pants, and they're trying to get their stake back. So they're trying to recover what they lost, and one way they're doing that is by doing this Securities and Exchange Commission filing, which happened on Thursday. This is what the 75 million share offering is about, and it's basically for three main purposes. One of them is to that about $600 million will go to exercise a provision and the investment agreements that will give it an additional 1.9% stake in NIO China. So that cash will go into NIO China and can be used for NIO's research, right? We want NIO to research and innovate. They already have one technology out there, that's the battery swap technology, which sets them apart from other EV makers. That's very important that they keep innovating and changing the game. So another roughly $357 million will be used to buy out some of the shareholders in NIO China, which will give NIO up to an additional 8.6% of NIO China. So that just basically means that NIO wants to take back 10% in ownership in NIO China, so that they can have about 86.4%. So yeah, expect that to be something that is going to end up benefiting NIO in the long term, especially because with more ownership, they can retain more of the profits. They can actually keep more of that money that's coming in that they're producing. So yeah, I'm very bullish. We did see some price action in the after hours after the day closed on Friday. So there is some green candlesticks right here. I'm on the Robinhood chart, and this is the expanded view. Basically, you guys can see more of you guys can see more in depth of what's going on here, but I prefer trading view. So yeah, it actually closed at a lower low than usual, because the last day that it was on a red, that NIO closed on the red, basically it was followed by the green candlestick that took place. The buying volume was significant, obviously because it went up to $20, that bull run right here. And then there was some consolidation that I think needs to happen for NIO to stay around these prices, for it to go up to higher highs. So one thing to note is that the performance of NIO. So if you would have bought into NIO exactly 1 year ago, August 30th, 2019, you would be up 500%. If you would have bought at the beginning of this year, you'd be up 300%. If you would have bought 3 months ago, which the price of deal was around $5 to $6, you would be up 364%. And if you would have bought last month, so towards the end of July, you guys would have been up 50. You guys would be up 54% right now. So that's good. We are seeing some growth. There's still room for NIO to grow. You guys think it's like over, like the bull run's over? Like, no, you guys are not going to be left with bags. Like, this company is here to stay, just like XRP and all their game-changing altcoins. Right? A NIO swap station in Xiamen. So the 145th swap station was added. We did hear information on the August 20th event that they are adding more swap stations. So they are definitely expanding. So this is an interesting tweet that I found. Tesla raises $2 billion in February when their stock price was in the 700s. There was a lot of volatility. I don't know if you guys remember back in February, but fast forward 6 months to now, and it's in the 2000s. And fill in the blank. This is what he basically is what he's saying. He said NIO raises $1.5 billion in September when their stock price was $20. Fast forward 6 months. What do you guys think is going to be the price for NIO? I think it's going to be close to the hundreds. Hopefully, it's a lot of hopium in the air, but if it gets into the triple digit numbers, man, it's like $120 for NIO stock. That would be amazing, but we can only hope, right? The EC6 is going to be out very soon, so that's a reminder to you guys who are just, hoping that this is going to increase deliveries. I know this is going to somehow, because it's cheaper to buy this car than any other NIO EV. Then I think that this is going to definitely increase sales in the long term. Maybe not like in the first month, but overall, just in the first year of this being out, it's going to definitely have an impact on the sales, for like positive impact for sure. Yeah, so now I'm transitioning into crypto. I'm gonna talk about a little bit about the crypto market. Definitely, Bitcoin leading with 58% dominance. They had a 0.5% of a gain, so that means that a lot of the other altcoins, the good altcoins with utility, those are gonna be up. Like you see, Ethereum, XRP, Chainlink. These are very important. Chainlink being up to 8%, guys. It's been winding up and down between 17 and $20. It's kind of like NIO stock right now. It's very volatile, man. It's crazy. But obviously, I'd prefer investing into Chainlink than anything. I do see a lot more gains in crypto right now in the short term than I see with NIO. I do say the NIO will reach $100, but something that will definitely reach $100 for sure, and this is a given. This is Chainlink. Like, it's gonna 10x, 20x from what it currently is, for at the very least. The reason why is because it's extremely undervalued. It's number 5 in the cryptocurrency right now space by market cap alone. So Cardano right now got bumped out of the 9th place. It's in 11th right now with $285 million volume going through it. XRP, if XRP replaces Swift, the Swift financial system, then we can see XRP being fed about $4 to $5 trillion daily if it gets the full 100%, amount that basically it would be transferred in on the daily basis. You'd see that much money going through it. Then XRP is definitely going to go in the hundreds. It's going to be a lot of money. It's going to be worth an insane amount. And the regulations are kind of being strict around Bitcoin because of the mining. A lot of the mining takes place in China, so keep that in mind. Trump wants to crack down on that a little bit, but yeah, Litecoin, we are seeing basically 2017 prices on a lot of things. What the market cap right now on everything, with the coins, with the top coins right now and their market caps and just their prices in general, is like giving me 2017 kind of like vibes. I don't know about you guys. Are you guys going to be investing into crypto? Let me know in the comments. So if you guys think that dilution is a current problem for NIO, then get this. The Federal Reserve right now is going to print out a lot of money for the stimulus checks. Phase 2 and everything. Phase 3, whatever you want to call it, part 2. So you are going to see a lot of inflation happening soon. And a lot of people are going to run towards silver and gold. Also crypto. Digital assets are the move. This is the wave. If you want to protect your wealth or your assets, whatever, you want to put some money, definitely put a little bit of your net worth into crypto. Now, these are speculative markets right now, but I think that the next bull run is not going to be speculative like it was in 2017. I think this is going to be based on utility, and altcoins like Ethereum, Chainlink, XRP are going to rule for sure. It's Cardano. You see VeChain, what they got going on, their blockchain technology. They have a lot of stuff, man. Like I see a lot of potential, especially with their supply chain management. It's just something that obviously with the amount of coins that there is, it's gonna take a big market cap for this to reach $1, but it could get up there. I mean, anything is possible. You guys have to remember XRP was the biggest gainer in 2017. So XRP basically went from being half a cent to almost $4 within a year and a half. So the fact that right now XRP is at 27 cents, and if it goes up 100 to 200x like it did last time, then XRP would be past $60. That's what an XRP token would be worth in the next bull run if it goes up like it did in 2017. At the very least, it'll be $60, and that's if it goes up like last time. But because there's a lot of utility now with XRP, there might be a lot of institutions that FOMO into it, so a lot of new money is going to be poured into it. So this could actually go up to $100. Even people are saying way more than that, but I'm sticking to my $30 to $60 prediction for XRP. Definitely keep an eye out on this, man. You won't regret it. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.